Hey, Ms. Solomon, this is Jonas. I'm reporting on lab number 7, image formed by two lenses. Um, so here's my principal ray diagrams for the two lenses. So for the first one, we have a height of about 3 centimeters. Um, so for the first one, S1, so it creates an inverted real image between lens 1 and 2 with a height of about 1.72. The one I calculated was about 1.7, so which is relatively close. Um, and then, so this image then becomes the object that's going to emit rays through lens number 2. Um, so for the second lens, I got about 31, and when I use the app, which is here, I would say it's not too far off. It's not 100% accurate, but I would say it's kind of accurate. Um, and yeah, that's about it. So here's my drawing, and here's the diagram on the app.